Welcome in the quick tutorials. In this video I want to show you how you can do the slow motion, how you can slow down your clip or video in a Hitfilm Express 12, and it's really pretty easy. So all you have to do is just prepare your clip, click here on the rate stretch 2 and just make it shorter. You make it faster. Oh my god. Okay, so make it longer. So this is how you're gonna slow down the video. And another option, what you can do is to right click on your video, go to speed and duration, and now you can decrease the speed, let's say 50%, and it will be automatically longer. And this is kind of it. This is how you make it. So yeah, thank you very much everybody, and goodbye. Let's get it back like that.